हेलो गाइस, वेलकम इन सरस्वती स्टडी चैनल। आज की जो हमारी वीडियो है वो है प्रपोजिशंस। इंग्लिश का टॉपिक है ये। आप इन्हें सामने जो सेंटेंसेस दिए गए हैं इन्हें देखें। द डॉग सेट ऑन द टेबल एंड द सेकंड सेंटेंस इज टॉम रेन आफ्टर जेरी एंड द थर्ड इज Bhim is fond of music. Fourth sentence, the cow is grazing in the field. इन चारों सेंटेंसेस में ये जो डार्क किए हुए रेड कलर से शो हो रहे हैं ये प्रपोजिशन कहा जाता है। अब हम आपको ये बताएंगे कि इन्हें प्रपोजिशन क्यों कहा जाता है। इन द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस द वर्ड ओन shows the relation between the dogs sitting and the noun table. In the second sentence, the word after shows the relation between the act of running and the noun Jerry. In the third sentence, the word of shows the relation between Bhim's fondness and the noun music. In the fourth sentence, the word in shows the relation between the grazing by cow and the noun field. The words on, after, of, in show in what relation the person or the thing denoted by it stands in regard to the rest of the sentence. These words which show relation are prepositions. The word preposition is made up of two parts, pre and position. Pre means before and position means place. तो इसकी definition होगी a preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun, कि noun से भी पहले आ सकता है और pronoun से भी, to show the relation of that noun or pronoun, relation बताने के लिए noun या pronoun का, in regard to the rest of the sentence, शेष बचे sentence के साथ उसका relation बताने के लिए noun और pronoun का preposition का use किया जाता है। तो ये preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show the relation of that noun pronoun in regard to the rest of the sentence. तो ये थी preposition की definition. अब हम जानेंगे इसके types के बारे में। Types of prepositions. There are three types of preposition. First है prepositions of time and the second is prepositions of position and the third is prepositions of direction. तो सबसे पहले है prepositions of time. Read the following sentences. First है we shifted to this house in June and the second will you be home by 5 o'clock. The preposition in the first sentence show relation with the month June. In the second sentence, the preposition by shows relation with the time 5 o'clock. These words are preposition of time. तो इसकी definition होगी the preposition which shows the relation of a noun or a pronoun with other words in terms of time is called preposition of time. उसके बाद है prepositions of position. Read the following sentences. First, there is a park near our house and the second, I will wait for you at the Cross River Mall. The prepositions near and at show relation in terms of place or more appropriately positions. These words are prepositions of position. We can say words which tell us the actual location of objects are known as prepositions of position. तो इसकी डेफिनेशन होगी द preposition which shows the relation of a noun or a pronoun with other words in a sentence in terms of position is known as prepositions of position. It takes the position immediately before the adverb of place where in a sentence. And the third type of prepositions of direction. Read the following sentences. First, he threw the ball towards me, and the second, I jumped over the wall into the garden. In the above sentences, the prepositions towards and over shows the relation of noun or a pronoun with other words in a sentence in terms of its movement of direction. These words are prepositions of direction. तो इसकी डेफिनेशन होगी वर्ड्स विच आर यूज टू एक्सप्रेस द वेज वेयर ऑब्जेक्ट्स मूव आर नोन एज prepositions ऑफ डायरेक्शन. तो ये थी preposition एंड इट्स टाइप. आशा करते हैं कि आपको जो है अच्छे से अंडरस्टैंड हो गए होंगे. हमारे चैनल को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब अवश्य करें.